Martin, the firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from my beautiful home in Langley, British Columbia. And I wanted to take you on a quick tour of my smart home because I'm certain that you will trust me with yours. Hey Siri, play the music. Hey Siri, turn on the vacuum. Turn off the vacuum. Close the garage door.
Understood. Request sent. Closing smart Wi-Fi garage door opener.
I needed that. Turn on the fountain.
Understood. Request sent.
Hey Siri, close the blinds.
Okay, the sheds are closed.
Alexa, ask Juicebox to get status.
Your juice box is charging at 50 nets, 0 kilowatt hours added in 2 minutes. Grid voltage is 236 volts. Lifetime energy is 0.2 megawatt hours.
Alexa, movie time.
Enjoy the movie Firstborn Son. You've built the smartest home. With me in it, of course. Ha 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 ha.
I think you're right. There it is.
Look at that. So of all the objects and all the stories.
Hey Siri, bedtime.
One moment.